you say? Come on now. What? I love it. Come on now. What? Oh, come on.
Why did you have to pick today to come in here? Why couldn't you warn me? Oh my
Don,
God.
please hush. You messing up my video.
Sorry.
Thank you. This is not about you,
Yeah,
Don.
they got a block out there. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I
Yes,
love it.
Mom. How do you feel being a car owner woman?
Very well.
Oh,
I just feel brand new.
Ooh.
Hello, hey, how you doing? I'm ready. All right, nice to meet you. Come. Excuse me.
You're fine. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Let's go find Mr. Jake for you.
Wait.
Look at you. Always got to be the oddball.
Oh, shut up. If I wasn't, it wouldn't be me.
I ain't got that much charge on my phone. Yeah. White. It's like pearlish.
Yeah, that's the pearl white. That's
Yes.
It's not what we call snow white. That's it's got like 3 layers of white to it.
Yes, it's like pearl and it's pretty. Look at you in front of your car, girl.
Lord,
Get it, Mom.
Yeah. Can you lock the door really quick, Carla?
Okay.
Yes, I won.
Yeah, I'll let you know. It's Jake down here at
What's
Hendrix.
up?
He is the best, honey. You hear me? Y'all got to come down here and check him out. He is so nice, so down to earth. He gonna get you something.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
I love it.
He's
What's up?
gonna get you something. You hear me?
Come on now, I take care of you. I'll
Take
do
care
everything
of
I
you.
can to help you. I do everything
He
I can.
family now.
Yes,
He family. This one of our cousins.
that's right.
Y'all
And
come
he
on
have
down
taken
here.
care of me. Look.
Ah, look at my wife. Y'all come down here and check him out here.
Yes, do that.
And get in there.